In the world of trading, mastering the art of efficiency and effectiveness is crucial, and the 80/20th rule offers just that. This principle, drawing inspiration from the widely acknowledged Pareto principle, has been the cornerstone behind numerous success stories and influential methods across various domains. From the revolutionary productivity insights of Tim Ferriss in The 4-Hour Work Week to the transformative business processes of lean manufacturing, the 80/20 rule has proven its worth. It's a principle echoed in the meticulous approaches of Six Sigma, celebrated in Richard Koch's insightful The 80/20th Principle, and employed in the strategic customer segmentation of successful marketing campaigns. In the fast-paced world of binary options trading, the application of the 80/20th rule stands out as a beacon of strategic clarity and efficiency. This method, inspired by the time-honored Pareto principle, posits that most of the trading success, approximately 80%, comes from just 20% of one's trading efforts. This insight offers three key advantages for traders, especially those at the beginner level. Firstly, the rule emphasizes the importance of simplification and focus. By identifying the 20% of strategies that are most effective, traders can concentrate their efforts and resources on what truly works, rather than spreading themselves thin across numerous less productive methods. This focus not only enhances the chances of success, but also makes the trading process more manageable for newcomers. Secondly, the 80/20 rule is instrumental in efficient risk management. It guides traders to identify and prioritize risks that have the most significant impact on their trading outcomes. This approach helps in mitigating severe losses and in capitalizing on potential gains, ensuring a more balanced and sustainable trading journey. Lastly, the principle fosters continuous improvement and learning. It encourages traders to regularly analyze and refine their strategies, adapt to market changes, and enhance their decision-making skills. Such an iterative learning process is crucial in the ever-evolving world of binary options trading. In essence, the 80/20th rule in binary options trading is more than a method. It's a mindset that gears traders towards focused efforts, efficient risk management, and continuous growth, paving the way for long-term success in the trading arena. Here are 5 step-by-step ways to use the 80/20 rules. Number 1. Understand the basics of binary options trading. Before applying the 80/20th rule, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the basics of binary options trading. This includes knowing how to read market trends, understanding trading terms, and being familiar with the different types of binary options available. Number 2. Identify key strategies that work for you. Analyze past trades, if available, or study different trading strategies to identify which ones are most effective. Look for patterns in your successful trades to understand what works best. The goal is to pinpoint the 20% of your strategies or decisions that could potentially lead to 80% of your trading success. Number 3. Focus on high-impact trades. Once you've identified your key strategies, concentrate your efforts on trades that align with these methods. This focus means investing more time, research, and resources into fewer high-impact trades rather than spreading your efforts thin over many less effective ones. Number 4. Implement effective risk management. Apply the 80/20th rule to risk management by identifying the 20% of risks that could cause 80% of potential problems. Focus on strategies to mitigate these key risks, such as setting appropriate stop-loss orders, diversifying your trades, and only investing capital you can afford to lose. Number 5. Review and adapt regularly. The market is dynamic, and so should be your trading strategy. Regularly review your trades to analyze what's working and what isn't. Be prepared to adapt your strategy, learning from both successful and unsuccessful trades. This continuous improvement will align with the 80/20 rule, ensuring that you're always focusing on the most effective aspects of your trading. In conclusion, the application of the 80/20th rule in binary options trading offers a unique and efficient pathway for traders, especially beginners, to navigate the complexities of the market. This method is more than a mere strategy. It's a fundamental shift in approach, focusing on the most impactful aspects of trading for maximized results and minimized risks. By identifying and concentrating on the strategies that yield the most significant outcomes, traders can optimize their efforts, manage risks effectively, and foster a mindset geared towards continuous learning and adaptation. Embracing this principle is not just about trading smarter. It's about transforming your trading journey, aligning with a proven method for success in the dynamic world of binary options.